Welcome to your new Titan Juxt, the connected watch engineered by HP. You are now the owner of a sophisticated timepiece that is as connected as you are. After charging your new watch, press and hold the top button until the setup screen appears. With your Titan Juxt activated, launch the Titan application on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your watch, pressing the top button again when prompted. If your watch falls asleep during this process, use the top button to wake it back up. Now, let's look at the ways you can personalize your watch to make it your own. With your Titan Juxt, notifications ensure that you stay connected to everything that goes on in your digital life. You select the notifications you'd like to receive and choose the strength of the alert. With a vibration on your wrist, your Titan Juxt lets you know if you're getting a call, have an upcoming event on your calendar, or receive a new message. After you receive a notification, press the bottom button to read more, or the top button to dismiss it. And if you prefer not to be disturbed, you can set a window of time to silence your watch notifications. No matter where you are, your Titan Juxt helps you stay connected with a world.
Tick tock. Let's talk. Who says beautiful can't be fierce? Who says you can't make time stand still? I have reimagined time.